Standard 5th Subject EVS Part 1. Number 16. Water. I like the rain very much. Everything's look beautiful when it rains. Water sources like rivers, lakes and springs are formed because of rain. However, due to many reasons this water get contaminated. Today, let us get the information about different topics like water pollution, purification of water, water management, etc. But before that, let us recall some information about water. If we add substances like a spoon of sugar, sawdust and soil, vessel filled with water, the sugar will dissolve, the sawdust will float and the soil will settle down. Some substances dissolve in water while some do not. There are three states of water. Ice is the solid state of water. Water that we enjoy every day is liquid state of water and water vapor is a gaseous state of water. If drinking water is not clean and safe, we may fall sick. Water should be clean by settling or filtering it. We often hear news that people suffering from contaminated water. Let us conduct an activity to understand how water get contaminated. Let us take two clean container while it is raining. Let us keep one of the container in open space so that the rainwater collect in it and keep the second container in such that the rainwater flowing over the ground collect in it. Now let us observe that water is collected in both the containers. The rainwater collected from the open space appear clean while the rainwater flowing over the ground appears dirty and turbid. The reason for this is that as rainwater directly collected from the rainwater is clean, whereas the rainwater collected over the ground, substances like soil, dust, waste, etc. get mixed. Therefore, this water becomes dirty. Water becomes impure when substances get mixed in it. Some substances float on water because of which water appear unclean and muddy. Some substances dissolve in the water and we cannot see them. Substances get mixed with the water are harmful to living being, then we can say that the water has become polluted. The river, lakes are our sources of water. Let us see how the sources of water get polluted. Wastewater from houses in cities and villages contain many substances like stale food, fruit peels, rotten vegetables, stale bread, soap, etc. Also, waste from industries and factories are collected and then released into huge water bodies at some convenient places. This water contains mud, waste, and many other types of impurities. Some of this may be dissolved or other may not be dissolved in it. Mosquito breeds in a large number in sewage, which can cause diseases like malaria and dengue. Microorganisms that diseases like cholera, typhoid can also be present in sewage water. Wastewater from factories may likely to contain toxic substances. Wastewater is released into any water bodies. The different sources of water can get polluted. Such polluted water cannot be used for drinking or any other purpose. How can we prevent water pollution? The government has made strict law to prevent water pollution. It is compulsory for factory owners to treat it before releasing it out. Similarly, wastewater, sewage water from village is treated by the local government agency before releasing it to the water sources. Third, the toxic substances present in it are broken down. By all these efforts, water pollution can be avoided. The flowing water from rivers get purified by some extent by natural process. Apart from this, water is also purified before supplied to the village. If a large quantities of impurities are mixed with the river water, then a natural process of purification proves inadequate. The amount of oxygen dissolved in the water is reduced, which is dangerous to the aquatic life. So, in the next lecture, we are going to study about how to purify water, purification of water. Thank you.